Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show app screen button on home screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. This is home screen. There is no app screen button. To app screen, you have to swipe up like this. Then only app screen will open. Okay. If you would like to show a button here, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to home screen, then go to show app screen button on home screen option. Just turn on this button, then one app screen button will be shown on the home screen. See the changes. Go to the home screen and see here, this is the app screen button. If you touch on it, app screen will open. Okay, so in this way you can easily show home screen app screen button on home screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. If you would like to disable it, again go to the same settings and click on home screen, then turn off this button, show app screen button on home screen. Now go to home screen and see there near camera there is no search button. In this way you can easily turn off home screen button or app screen button on home screen also. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.